Okay, so thank you all very much for standing by. As you folks know, even though it's summertime and UH is out, it still takes sometimes a little bit to get from the convention center in Waikiki back to Kaneohe, which is the whole reason why we're featuring the festival here at the mall in Kaneohe, so everyone on the Windward side can access it. But it is again my great honor and pleasure to welcome our guests who are presenting their culture and their dance tonight and their music for the community here on the Windward side. Again, we have our dignitaries from Papua New Guinea who will be performing later. We have our dignitaries from the Kingdom of Tonga who just performed for us. And I am very honored and privileged again to introduce some of the very significant high leadership for Palau, including the floor leader of Palau, Minister Gibson Kane'ohe. And again, I'd like to recognize, it was a privilege yesterday to sit in a traditional Ava ceremony that's put on as part of an agenda that we were obligated to perform for traditional leaders from across the Pacific. And so we were honored again to join, to have us, to be able to host some of those traditional leaders, again, including our Palau High Chief, Nitorong, if you could stand and be recognized one more time. I will say I've never sat for a formal Ava ceremony in the native Hawaiian tradition. We sat for 3.5 hours, which is very, very Hawaiian traditional. And so having him join us for the entire time was a great honor. And also I'm very privileged, and I hope you all will join me in welcoming the President of Palau, President Chiranyo Whips Jr.
We can have him up to the
President,
stage.
would you like to come up and say a few words? How about a nice round of applause again?
Ali, a very good afternoon. And Senator, my apologies for being a little bit late. We have to get used to traffic. At home we only have one lane going each way. It's a little easier for us to predict how long it's going to take to get somewhere. But no, it's great to be here. What an incredible light last night at the opening. 8 hours of really incredible opportunity for us to see the whole Pacific together, really celebrating our unique culture and our unique heritage. So it's so good to see so many friends from the Windward side here. And I want to especially recognize the Palauans here. Because there's a lot of Palauans that have left Palau and come and moved here to Hawaii. And we say that's a good thing, but we want them to come home too. And but today at least we get to bring a little bit of Palau to Honolulu and share it with you all. So I'm not going to take up their time because this is really the opportunity to see what Palauan dance and culture is, learn a little bit about Palau, and hopefully encourage you to come and visit. Besides the Palauans that need to come home, we want all of you from Hawaii to come home because just like being on any island, I think in the Pacific, you always feel at home. You feel, what is that, the ohana, the family. And I'm just privileged to be here, to be with our delegation, and to be able to introduce them. Uroi, I say, will explain the dance that they're going to do. So, Sula.
Aloha and Ali. Thank you, and it's an honor to be here today with you to show a bit of our tradition and culture in our dance. So today we're going to be having 4 performances. We'll have the women's traditional dance, then the men's traditional dance, then we'll have a contemporary, which is called matamato, which was done in the 1950s, where we borrowed some dance from our brothers and sisters from Micronesia and from Okinawa, and then we made a little flair and twist of Palauan into it. And lastly, we will have a more modern contemporary dance. So thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the show today.
Amala Sabat Eves kang yun. Taklar aldok. Ewe matirang alung alang. Pandermi, utiling. Sali ka beriyaw. 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 Ay gol, bekol, buy, no melusaw, no el melberak, kolomis, sa manong karaka, oray na kalbe, sumaklirayo. Hemo, mameklang. Oh, huy! Sa matamarik kalin, nadik, haranoy, klasek, karame, ano wilisa, aliyang, imamalaraw lo.
pare. Ganda pa may mata-mata. Como me serme kasi asing ang papi. Rose, momes serme. Momes. Ang again, bukod ka ba? Okay. Very good. Kung lang yung age, mo ka lang. Oo, kung maarang ka sus. Mabablasin mo.
Were you there?
Yeah. my goodness.
How about a nice round of applause for Palau? Palau, can I have you stay on stage so we can do a photo opportunity? Those of you on the stage, come a little bit forward so we can get you in the photo. Again, it's not often that we get to see them come here and share their culture. How about a round of applause for them? And their dignitaries as well, their leadership.